Importing pharmaceuticals, navigating regulations and compliance. Welcome back everyone to our customs brokerage video series. In today's video, we will be diving into the requirements for importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Importing these products requires careful attention to regulations and compliance to ensure the safety and efficacy of these critical items. So, let's get started. Regulatory framework for importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices. When it comes to importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices, it is crucial to navigate the complex regulatory framework. Different countries have their own regulatory authorities, such as the FDA in the United States or the European Medicines Agency, EMA, in the European Union, that oversee the importation and distribution of these products. Understanding the specific requirements set by these authorities is essential to avoid any delays or penalties. Licensing and registration. One of the primary requirements for importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices is obtaining the necessary licenses and registrations. This includes obtaining a wholesale drug license or a specific license for medical devices, depending on the country and product type. These licenses ensure that the importer meets the minimum standards for quality, safety, and efficacy. Good manufacturing practices, GMP. To ensure the highest quality standards, importers of pharmaceuticals and medical devices need to comply with good manufacturing practices, GMP. GMP guidelines outline the requirements for the production, testing, and quality control of these products. Importers must ensure that the manufacturers they work with adhere to these guidelines to guarantee the safety and effectiveness of the imported products. Product registration and documentation. Importers are responsible for registering their pharmaceuticals and medical devices with the regulatory authorities in the destination country. This involves submitting detailed documentation, including product information, labeling, manufacturing processes, and clinical trial data. Accurate and comprehensive documentation is crucial for smooth customs clearance and compliance with import regulations. Customs bond and security. Another key requirement for importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices is obtaining a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures the importer will comply with customs regulations and pay any duties or taxes owed. The bond acts as a protection for both the importer and the government, ensuring that obligations are met. Importer security filing, ISF. For shipments entering the United States, importers must also comply with the importer security filing, ISF, requirements. ISF mandates importers to provide advance information about the cargo, including the names of the parties involved, container stuffing location, and the vessel voyage number. This pre-arrival filing enables customs authorities to assess the security risk of the cargo before its arrival, contributing to a secure and efficient supply chain. Product classification and tariff classification. Correctly classifying pharmaceuticals and medical devices is critical for determining the applicable duties and taxes. Importers must accurately identify the product category, including its specific purpose, composition, and characteristics. Once classified, the importer can determine the correct tariff code to ensure proper calculation of duties and taxes. Import restrictions and licensing. In some cases, importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices may be subject to specific import restrictions or licensing requirements. Certain countries may have limitations on the importation of controlled substances or high-risk medical devices. Importers must research and comply with any additional regulations and requirements beyond the standard import process. That concludes our deep dive into the requirements for importing pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Navigating the regulatory landscape and complying with all the necessary procedures is crucial for successful import operations in this industry. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon as we continue to explore the fascinating world of customs brokerage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us for future updates.